unboxing time. Designed by Apple in California. Power cable. Ta-da! How do you open this? Oh. Just slide it open. Magic keyboard. And trackpad, since I've already got a mouse. Manual, lightning cable. Can you see I'm sweating so bad? Right, here it is, the 2020 iMac. And let's cut to some B-roll. So, why did I get this iMac? Well, firstly, I already have a perfectly usable MacBook to take with me for uni. But the screen, it's too small, and it's not very good at handling graphical programs, which my course is all about. So the power and the large screen real estate really improves my workflow and my overall experience. And secondly, why a Mac? Well, I've got a MacBook and an iPhone. So features like AirDrop and iCloud, which I use quite frequently, can be utilized and maintains continuity throughout my devices. In addition to that, I'm mainly using my computer for productivity work and the occasional content creation, not really for gaming. But even if I did, I can still run Windows using Boot Camp. So for all the reasons I've mentioned, and there are a lot of reasons, I just want to keep the video as short as possible. For me at least, I benefit more from getting the iMac rather than PC. And in terms of Apple Silicon, I'd rather not get a first-gen product and instead wait a few more years after the transition is completed. Alright, back to me. So overall, I'm very satisfied with my 27-inch 2020 iMac. And yes, maybe I am trapped in Apple's ecosystem. That's it from the Guru, and I'll see you in the next one. Probably not an unboxing video anytime soon though. Costs a lot of money. Peace out. And that was my first unboxing video. You can see the corner there. It's quick time. It's recording through my mic here. Just gonna leave that up. Hopefully no one notices. I just noticed that my mic's wires is just ruining the shot the whole time. I'm not filming this again.